Hello everyone. Today's topic is force. Let us consider a game of football. We can see that multiple players are trying to push the ball towards the goal post. How is the goalkeeper able to stop the ball from hitting the goal? Similarly, moving towards hockey, we can see that various players are trying to dodge the ball from each other and trying to get the hold of the ball. Moving on to the game of the cricket, we can see that multiple players are trying to approach the ball moving towards the boundary, and the player standing near the boundary is trying to stop the ball. Now, the question which arises is that how are all of these actions performed? How is the goalkeeper able to stop the ball? How are players in hockey able to snatch ball from each other through the hockey stick? How is the player standing near the boundary able to stop the ball? All these actions require application of force. Force, a push or a pull. Earlier, we went through examples such as a game of football, hockey, and cricket. Now, we wonder whether force can be called or classified as a push or a pull. Various actions which we perform during our day-to-day lives, such as picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, flicking, pushing, pulling, are used to describe certain tasks. We pick up the book from the table, opening a can, shutting the door, kicking the ball, lifting a book, and so on. Each of these actions result in some kind of change in state of motion of an object. Now, often a question arises, can all these terms be replaced by one or more terms? Let's see. Here we have described 5 activities which are being performed. Moving a book from a table. Well, moving a book requires a certain kind of push which is applied to the book, as a result of which it changes its position. Opening and closing of the door. When we intend to open the door, we try to pull the door towards ourselves, and when we try to close it, we push it to shut it close. While drawing the water from the well, we try to pull the bucket towards ourselves through the pulley. Football player taking penalty. When football player tries to hit the ball towards the goal, it applies a certain amount of push to the ball. Ball hit by a batsman. When a batsman hits a ball with its bat, it applies a certain amount of push to the ball, as a result of which it moves throughout the ground. Therefore, we can see that all these 5 activities can be classified under push or a pull. Moving of a book can be described as a push applied to the book. Opening and closing can be pull and push respectively. Drawing water from the well, it can be called pulling of the bucket. Football player taking penalty, the player is trying to apply force to the ball by pushing it. And ball hit by a batsman, batsman is trying to push the